Hey everybody, this is Steve Soleimani from Google Cloud. Want to know the latest from Google Cloud? You found the right YouTube channel. Subscribe to receive the latest updates, announcements, resources, events, learning opportunities, and more. Before we jump into this week's update, mark your calendars. Registration for Google Cloud Next is now open. It will be taking place between October 12th and October 14th, 2021. This year, we've made Google Cloud Next free for everyone. Each day will kick off with a live broadcast and keynote to showcase our latest launches and share how customers and partners use Google Cloud to tackle today's greatest business challenges. Learn more and register today. Here's the latest from Google Cloud, Week 30, 2021. First up, Google Cloud hosted our Retail and Consumer Goods Summit, a digital event dedicated to helping leading retailers and brands digitally transform their business. Next, see how IKEA uses Recommendations AI to provide customers with more relevant product information. Up next, Google Cloud launched a career program for people with autism, designed to hire and support more talented people with autism in the rapidly growing cloud industry. Finally, Google Cloud follows new API stability tenets that work to minimize unexpected deprecations to our enterprise APIs. Thanks for tuning in. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks.